hydrology for everyone, share your knowledge. This slide briefly summarizes what we want to talk about today. So to start with, the science of hydrology, its focus is to understand the function and behavior of water on Earth. And we know that the system we are looking at is complex, uncertain, and dynamic. And of course, there are challenges that we need to deal with. And as researchers and scientists and engineers, we of course embrace these challenges. We like them, but it's we want to solve these challenges. But apart from this basic task that we also have another role, and which is something that we think is indeed important, and that's promoting the basic knowledge about hydrology among the general public. So we think that it's important because it helps to facilitate resilience of communities to hydrological extremes. So floods and droughts, we all know that they are happening now more and more, and resulting in more substantial damage, and we need to deal with them. Yes, there is engineering and science on one side, but there is also the social science part that we need to also look at. And how can we facilitate resilience of communities to hydrological extremes? Well, we can try raising awareness of people on the general concepts behind the droughts and floods. For example, the processes helping to form these extreme events, hydrological, meteorological, or climatological. So if we inform general public about these and also the implications on water resources management, then we can maybe in the end succeed in raising awareness of individuals, which can in turn potentially help people to motivate, help people to adopt some preparedness behaviors. So the preparedness, the keyword is here, preparedness. This word is the main focus in this presentation. Well, preparedness is a key topic which is widely studied in psychological literature, and there are various models which help us to understand the preparedness behavior of communities, of people. And in disaster context, one of the examples of these models is the one from Peyton and his colleagues called Disaster Preparedness Model, DPM, and it's a very widely used model in psychology literature, and this model basically tries to understand why people don't adopt some preparedness behavior, or if yes, also. So in this model, I would like to have your attention to critical awareness of hazards, which is the extent to which people think and talk about hazards, and the risk perception, which is nowadays one of the other important topics that the science is looking at. So by raising awareness of people on the hydrological concepts, we can succeed in making people more resilient, making communities more resilient against hydrological disasters. And what's important here is to make them adopt preparedness behavior. So that's why we say share your knowledge, because it's only when people are aware of their environments, the risks that they are under, so that they can start acting, start acknowledging that there is the risk and they need to do something. So share your knowledge, you have the knowledge, and the only thing that you need to do is talk. You can start practicing with your parents, with your sisters, I don't know, friends, the friends not in here. So thanks, see you at the spring.